Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find programming language tutorial section. In programming language tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I'm explaining Python in depth and step by step guys. In the previous videos, we understood how to write and execute Python code. We understood the print function. In this video, I would like to discuss comments in Python. What are comments? Comments are something like notes inside our code. Comments are something like notes inside our code guys. And how do we write comments in Python? Anything is written after a hash symbol on the line is treated as comment in Python. Anything is written after the hash symbol in the line is treated as a comment in Python. Why do we use comments? Comments are used to document the source code guys. Comments are used to document the source code. That means you can see here I have my Python source code. I can document it. I say here hash and then I say author. Who is the author of this code? I write my name Manjunath. I say hash DOM date of modification 22-09-2024. Like this I can document the source code guys. Understanding? Comments are used to explain the code logic. Comments are used to explain the code logic so that anybody can understand the code, modify. Understanding? So you can see here I can write a comment here. I can say hash print function is a built-in function. Like this I can write the comment in my code so that anybody can understand, okay, print function is a built-in function. Okay, I can write in one more line if I want. I can say hash is used to display data in the console. Understanding? Like this we can explain the code logic with the help of comments so that anybody can understand our code easily guys. And if they want, they can modify. Comments are ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments have no effect on the execution of the program. See, whether I have the comment, let me delete this comment, okay, and I open the shell here. I save this and run the module. You see we are getting output hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3. I'm going to add the comments back. I save and say run the module. You see still we are getting the same output hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3. Right? Comments have no effect on the execution of the program. Comments are actually ignored by the Python interpreter guys. They are just like a notes inside our code so that anybody can understand our source code. Okay, this code is written by Manjunath and modification date is 22/9/2024, right? And okay, print function is a built-in function. It is used to display data in the console, right? Anybody can understand our source code. Comments are ignored by the interpreter. If we don't want to execute some parts of the code, we can definitely comment them guys. Like for example, if I come here and say I don't want to display hello world 1, okay, I can simply comment that code. Now this line is also treated as a comment. Even though it is a Python code, it is treated as a comment. It is ignored by the interpreter. Now we get only two outputs, hello world 2 and hello world 3. I save this and I'll display in the shell. Okay, I say run the module. You see this time we got the output hello world 2 and hello world 3. Understanding? So that is about the comments in Python guys. How do we write comments? What's the use of comments? And writing comments is a good practice guys. You must write comments inside your source code. That's it guys for this video tutorial about the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in depth and step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.